Immersive Labs presents Cadaviz, world's most advanced virtual human dissection table. In this video, we will explore how our radiology and DICOM modules help radiology professionals and students explore medical imaging in a transformative way. In radiology, Cadaviz empowers users with innovative tools to enhance their diagnostic skills. You can compare general and applied pathological findings with ease. Observe how clinical conditions alter normal anatomical appearances, offering deep insights into clinical conditions. With access to over 1,500 pathological conditions across multiple imaging modalities, Cadaviz prepares professionals for a wide range of clinical scenarios. Experience multimodality learning by exploring the same anatomical structures through X-ray, CT, MRI images. This comprehensive exposure prepares students for different clinical scenarios and helps users interpret diverse radiological data with confidence. Identify common imaging artifacts across modalities. Cadaviz ensures you can differentiate true pathologies from artifacts, minimizing the risk of misdiagnosis. Now, let's explore the DICOM module in detail. DICOM Viewer takes your learning to the next level by allowing you to interact with real-world imaging data. You can upload your own imaging files directly via USB and unlock powerful tools for analysis. Experience 3D rendering like never before. Try real-time zoom in zoom out, rotation in 360 degrees, panning, segmentation, and annotation capabilities. With multiple presets, you can isolate bones, organs, and vessels with precision. With the use of options like quality, shift, and shade, users can adjust the contrast and rendering of the subject as per their own preferences. Locate anomalies effortlessly with multi-planar reformatting and crosshair tools. Explore any certain anomaly or region in all reformats at the click of a button in one reformat. The Who value icon displays X-ray attenuation values in different tissues, allowing clinicians to differentiate between various materials. For instance, air, fat, water, bone, based on their density. Use CT window presets and filters to adjust brightness and contrast, bringing specific tissues or structures into focus. When scrolling through one slice, corresponding slices in related series or views automatically update to the same level, allowing clinicians to easily compare and analyze anatomical structures across different planes. CinePlay enables dynamic visualization by creating sequential playback of X-ray frames, helping you study motion or time-based changes. Split layout and view functionalities let you load multiple reformats or compare studies side by side, enhancing comparative analysis. The Cobb angle tool simplifies studies like spine assessments by measuring spinal curvature, particularly for scoliosis evaluation. Take advantage of measurement tools like length measurement, bidirectional annotation, ellipse, rectangle, circle, freehand ROI, spline ROI, live wire tool. Basic tools include acquiring screenshots, invert options in X-rays, pen, and options to anonymize patient data. Fine-tune your view with options to zoom, flip by specific areas for closer inspection. Cadaviz isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to mastering radiology. Explore, analyze, and learn radiology like never before with the world's most advanced virtual human dissection table.